Morning class 8. This is your first video for computer. I am your teacher Nitish Kumar. This is the cover page of your computer book. Today we read our first chapter, the computer networks. Computer networks, the collection of computer devices that can be connected in the various way in the order of communication and share the resources. That means when so many computers are connected with each other with a line, sometimes it's a wireless or sometimes it's a cable, physical, non-physical, with the use of wireless or the hardware or the radio waves, these are the known as computer networks. Now we read the components of data communication: messaging, sender, receiver, communication media. What is the message? Message means any text message, video, audio, anything which you can send. Sender, the person who send the videos, messages and the audio, anything. Receiver would receive the communication media. Communication media means these, those type of media which we are using, for example text, audio, video, animation, any type of we can use. Okay. Networking benefits. What is the benefits of network? Easy to access. We can access our data very easily on the internet, as you say. Work from home. Now we are doing work from home. You are receiving your homework from your home. You are receiving your classwork from the home. It's a work from home. Sharing resources. We can share the resources like a printer or some software. Sharing information. It's very easy to share the information. For this time I'm sharing information with you. This is also a best example. Sharing program. We can share the software also. When we connected with the LAN, then we can share our program also with our colleagues and our persons. Security. It's very secure when we connected in a LAN. We don't need the internet, so there is no way to theft our data. No one can theft our data because it's connected with the LAN. We are not connected with the internet, so it's very secure. Now the network topology. What is network topology first? The pattern of interconnection of the node in a network is called as the topology. The layout allows or determines the manner in which the information is exchanged with the network. Actually, this is a type of topology, or the type of connection of so many computers together is known as the network topology. The information is exchanged between the one to the another computer with the help of this connection. So we have to read, we can't read the all classes. We read only subtopology, bus topology, star topology, ring topology and mesh topology. Tree topology and hybrid topology is not for you. So we have to read in the earlier classes or the next class. Okay. Bus topology. Popular topology for the data network. Actually this topology used in every type of cyber, schools, for providing internet, printer, in office, so many places. If you want to a very easy of connection, then we use, but it's not flexible. Okay, we have only a single line and every node is connected with each one. Okay, you know na, node means anything which connected with the internet is known as node. It use a normal coaxial cable for connecting the data, connecting the devices with each other. It's known as the bus topology. Star topology. When every computer is connected with the one hub or one switch, there's every node. Look, there's so many nodes and it's connected with one switch or one hub. This thing is known as the star topology. What is the benefit of star topology? If any system is going to be shut down, any system is going to be shut down, but it's not harmful the whole system. And what is the demerits? When the switch is going to be failed, every whole system is going to be shut down. One more benefit, it's too easy to connect, there is no complex software, and it's very fast. The ring topology, when every node is connected with each other, okay, in a circle way, there is no exit loop. So what is the advantage? It's faster than the star topology, flexible than the bus topology, but what is the disadvantage? It's costly than the star topology, and there is so many switches we use, so it's more costly. But what is the benefits? It's faster than the star topology. Mesh topology, the most important. where every node, each node is connected to more than one node. Each node is connected to, they is provide at the alternative router machine. यहाँ पर हम लोग एक अल्टरनेटिव राउटर मशीन का यूज कर रहे हैं हर एक नोड को एक्सचेंज फॉर द लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस नेटवर्क। ये काफ़ी अच्छा है लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस नेटवर्क के लिए और सपोर्ट बैकअप और द राउटिंग कंट्रोल के लिए। लुक, देयर इज एवरी नोड इज कनेक्टेड विथ ईच अदर, okay, so there is no problem for sharing data. It's faster than the any one of them or the earlier version. It's very easy, it's very faster, and it's very easy to send the data to anyone. But what is the problem of this one? It's very costly, it's very complex. So this is the best, this is the demerits of this mesh topology. Now we saw what is the networking devices we use for doing the networking work. For example, the modem. You all see the modem, a simple device which connected with your computer for providing the internet or the other system. Its modem can be a device like a Tata Photon, Jio Wi-Fi, JioFi, and it must be a Wi-Fi also. What is a hub? Hub just like a switch where so many computer connected with a one hub. In a star topology you see, and switch also, these both are the like same things, but there is a little difference between these two. Router, when we connected so many computer with the wireless technology, we are using the routers. This is used for the switching the two networks together. Router can use the two networks together. Bridge, there is a use for the connecting two types of network or two types of LAN together. It's known as the bridge. When we use any network for connecting two LANs, that is bridge. Okay. Types of network, as you all know, and we are reading also in the previous class, there is so many types of network: personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, and the wide area network. So we start with the personal area network. What is the personal area network? When we connected anything with our computer, हम अपने कंप्यूटर के साथ कुछ भी जोड़ते हैं। अगर मोबाइल जोड़ लिए, लैपटॉप जोड़ लिए, लैपटॉप के साथ मोबाइल जोड़ लिए, प्रिंटर जोड़ लिए, हेडफोन जोड़ लिए, तो ये सब क्या है? ये पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क का एग्जांपल है। हम अपने लैपटॉप के साथ या फिर अपने पर्सनल वर्क के लिए या पर्सनल काम के लिए जो भी नेटवर्क यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसको हम लोग पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क कर सकते हैं। लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन आवर ऑफिस देयर इज सो मेनी पर्सन वर्किंग टुगेदर, so they are using a personal area network. It's very easy to connect a printer with this one, a server with this one. It's very easy and fast because there is no work of internet. So it's a personal network also used for this one. They are using a personal network. It's also called as intranet. That means they are using the intranet for this one. That's why it's faster than the any other network in a building or the when wide area network, simply two and more than two local area network connected with each other is known as wide area network. In a city, if you want to provide the internet to everyone, then we add the so many local area network together is known as wide area network. It's very easy to provide the internet in over a city. Wide area network, when we connected the internet, it's the best example of wide area network is the internet. We are connected from all over the world with the help of internet, so it is the best example of wide area network. Client server architecture, it's not in your book, but I'm gonna tell you. Client server architecture, as you see, there is a server in here and so many computers connected with this one. If we want anything, then we have to ask for this one, and then he provide all the details to us. It is also known as switch and router, switch and receiver combination. There is some sender and also a receiver. He is the sender and he is the receiver. Network terminology. Intranet, internet. What is intranet? When we create a personal network for working like an internet, is not an intranet. It's just like a personal area network or the local area network. It's a type of intranet. What is internet? As you all know, the internet is a global wide network. ISP, the companies who provide the internet to us. Internet service provider, Airtel, Jio, Idea. Website, a collection of web pages. Website, a collection of web pages. What is a web portal? When we www is the best example of web portal, web page. Any page we use in our web browser is known as the web page. Home page, the first page of any website is known as home page. Link, a link is just like a bridge for jump from one place to the another. Generally you see in a Google which you type anything, then we have so many blue color link. Every blue color line is known as a link. Hyperlink, hyperlink is also used for the link. And hypertext, when we type the text, for example I am typing www.google.com, then he going to be jump, and this thing is known as hypertext. Thank you for watching this video. I am your class teacher Nitish Kumar.